Then
Find
open
the one
blue
starting
controller
with
to white
Xbox
light mode and connect it. Click on the link until the white light is constantly lit. In this mode, no software is needed, and it's compatible with both Android and Apple tutorials. It's exactly the same. Let's take Diablo 3 as an example. Once you enter the game, you can directly perform positioning operations. You can also customize these buttons yourself. In the game settings, there's a control option here. Here, there's a controller setting. Then we can define these buttons as the ones you want to use. Here are some important points to note. After connecting the controller, the virtual operation buttons in the game cannot automatically hide if they do. If they do hide, we won't be able to operate both the controller and the screen at the same time. For example, games like Yuan Shen will hide the buttons when you connect the controller. In such cases, we need to play through mapping mode. This part shows the mobile game section. Then, let me demonstrate how to use an emulator for gaming. We'll take the PSP emulator as an example here. The tutorials for other emulators should be universal. Here, we need to pay attention to a few points. Here we have something that needs to be turned on. Setup settings. Here we need to enable the screen virtual buttons. Enable, this is to ensure that both the controller and the screen can be controlled simultaneously. Then for button mapping, you can map these buttons however you want into the game. Buttons. Just adjust it here as needed. Now let's directly open the game. You can now use the emulator game directly. Besides enabling the screen virtual buttons, no other settings are necessary.